All right, Maximus Analysis here for May 21st, 2015, and we see that we're still layering above these previous highs, okay? And it needs to hold that 2115, 2117 level that we see right here. Again, pop above would be a nice rip to the upside, maybe to that 2160 area. We need to also hold this 2092 area. We need to hold this. These are just previous highs. Gets back in this 2080 area, then we got some problems. But again, right now the underlying trend has to be to the upside, and you can see very, very good run up. Again, they're going to probably sell into the close a little bit, but we want to see at least a hold of this 2125 area going into the close. So that's something just to kind of look at. And again, I'm probably going to be sending this video out while it closes, but again, do not be suckered into just trying to say, okay, it's just an easy trade, let me go long right here right now. You can wait till tomorrow morning and see if you get a true buy signal with a break above that 2132 level. Okay, you had the NQ pretty much giving you the same deal. Again, it hasn't broken the new highs, but at least trading sideways with the higher lows put in place, breaking above here. Again, we do not want it to get back up into this area of 4480. We do not want it to get back in there. IWM really is not doing much today. The volume is lighter. Again, you have the, it didn't break two lows back, but again, it's still not really much today. And if it breaks down low tomorrow and breaks at least this low of this yesterday, then you would say there would be some concern with a strong close to the downside going into the long weekend. You got the YM. YM, again, is just slightly giving you this nice little flag above here, but again, we want to see some volume and pop to the upside. We do not want it to get back into this area of 18.2, 18.1, and definitely not 18,000. So we want to make sure we look at that. You got, hold on just for a second. I'm trying to get this crude contract up. So you got a strong rally today, and I actually was not expecting this at all. But again, you still have this lower high put in place. So unless it breaks 62, 65, and then comes back to this 60, basically this is the line in the sand for the bulls. Again, the short was here. Maybe you covered. Again, I said yesterday about the inside bar. It did not break below that one. So again, that would be the definite flush down type of position. But again, we'll see what happens. Again, there was a week, the dollar weakened. So again, this is going to affect gold and oil. Apple right now, we just have to keep looking. Again, see we have resistance around this 131.95 area. Again, it clears that. We can definitely see it run back up to new highs, but it's been trading pretty sideways. You got Tesla, still has that 254 resistance and resistance area, so we really have to see how that one's going to play out. Again, the turn date was this day, so again, a break above here, but even above that 254 area can be some level of resistance that we need to see about. Netflix, we have support around the 613 area. Okay, matter of fact, the 613 area holds, 613.22 area holds. We're looking at 638.25. Again, this is not the best long for me to get in. I think it's more of a chase if you got in right now versus waiting for a proper pullback to get long. You got Google. Again, still sideways. We got a turn date of June 8th and then July 7th and 8th, and resistance around the 566 area. So around this 566 area, we need to see it clear above that 566.50. I actually posted something on Twitter that can actually give you that. So check that out on Twitter as well. Amazon. Amazon, we see that we need a support level held of around this 214.21 area. A break and close above 434.81, and we're looking at the 455.92 area for sure, which brings us back above these opens. But again, you can see that it kind of really faded a lot this morning. So that's something that you kind of really got to look and say, wow, it broke up, but it faded. And let's look at the intraday just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It popped up, but then closed. It didn't do much right after the opening 15 minutes. It popped up and then just faded right back into the first 15 minutes, actually below. So Don't like seeing that, but I did like to see this daily pop against the support. But got to see how this one plays out and goes from there. So again, that's on high volume, and you see we want to. It's basically giving you this type of pennant. You got lower highs, higher lows. We just kind of want to see where this one breaks out, because again, I thought it was going to break out, but then it faded pretty badly into the close. Just going back to the ES, so now we had the close. Kind of see that again. We have some nice movement to the upside, but we want it to just, we don't even want it to flirt with this stuff anymore. We want it to be a layering and a blast off up to maybe this 2160 area. So we'll see what happens and go from there, and hopefully these price levels help you out. And again, you can follow us on Twitter, and I will be posting a lot more, and hotstockmarket.com. We'll be posting a lot more charts and stuff as well, giving some turn dates and turn times as well. So take care.